आज का हमारा टॉपिक है बीटा एंड गामा फंक्शन। बीटा एंड गामा फंक्शन इज़ वेरी मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट टूल्स फॉर इंजीनियरिंग फील्ड। सबसे पहले वी विल स्टडी गामा फंक्शन। Natural question arise, what is a gamma function? Gamma function and beta function and relation between them is very most important. So first of all, step by step definition of gamma function. The gamma function is denoted by the integral gamma m. Actually, gamma function is applicable only limits 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity e to the power minus x to the power m minus 1 dx, and given that m greater than equal to 0. It is definition of gamma function. Now, properties of gamma function. First property is gamma m plus 1 is equal to m gamma m. So, continue this process, and most important property here, property number 6, gamma 1 by 2 is equal to under root pi. So, next example we can take gamma minus 1 by 2. Gamma 1 minus 1 by 2 we are using one formula here mention gamma m plus 1 m gamma m. We can take m is equal to minus 1 by 2. So in this formula we put m is equal to minus 1 by 2. So solving that, so we get gamma 1 by 2. And then right hand side put minus 1 by 2, and solving we get under root pi, since we know that gamma minus 1 by 2 is equal to under root pi. So minus minus will be positive. So gamma minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 2 root pi. So next example we will take limits 0 to infinity and x to the power 1 by 4 e to the power minus root x dx. So we can solve easily with the help of gamma functions. Next, example 3, 0 to infinity, it is very easy, we can solve gamma functions. So next, example 4, 0 to 1 x log x to the power 4 dx. But we have seen limit are given 0 to 1. But gamma function says that limit 0 to infinity. So convert into 0 to 1 into 0 to infinity. Further we see in next slides. So first of all study beta function. Beta function is denoted by beta m commas n. Definition is very easy. Beta mn is equal to 0 to 1 x to the power m minus 1 1 minus x to the power n minus 1 dx. And we have seen properties of beta functions. Beta mn and beta nm are equal. Yani it can be say it is whole commutative law. And next property we will continue see. Most important things the relation between beta and gamma functions. So relation between beta and gamma functions here, beta mn is equal to gamma into gamma n upon gamma m plus n. So we can say above relation we can derive another formulas such that like this gamma 1 by 2 root pi, Euler formula gamma n gamma 1 minus n is equal to pi upon n and pi, and another formula, it is most important formula, duplication formula. So we can solve continue with the help of beta and gamma functions. Continue in next lecture. Thank you.